My name's Yinka Ilori. I'm an artist based in London. What I do is I tell stories through furniture. And these are words of wisdom. So what I do is I source old furniture in London, mainly second-hand furniture. And I'm trying to tell new narratives, in these objects, which are more kind of like sculptural objects. So work you can't really use. But it's more about the idea about using objects as a form of storytelling. And that's what I do. I'm a storyteller. I mean, I was given a brief, a bit of an open brief, but a brief with quite a few sort of specifications and needs for not just for the team in the museum, but also for people, members of the public. So it's called a dialogue space. So it's a space you can kind of you can read books, read a book in the space. You can look at some of the collections that we have in the museum. It's a space you can kind of relax and chill out. So it's a kind of multifunctional space, that kind of caters to quite a lot of people's different needs in the museum. But it's a space that's going to be quite immersive, really colourful, because that's a huge part of my practice. So yeah, it's a space that and I imagine sort of every other month or every other 6, I don't know how often it will change exhibitions in the space. But I know according to Michael, you guys have, I think, about 30,000 objects that we haven't seen in the museum, which I thought was phenomenal. I was like, wow, I didn't know that. That's crazy. So I'm also quite excited to see what is hiding behind, or stored away, and what can be, shown in the space. So I'm really excited. So I think for me, it was important to create a space that was, one, engaging, and two, a space where people can kind of feel like it belongs to them as much as it belongs to the museum, because it's important that people kind of feel like they have ownership of something. And for me, I think if I have ownership of a space, I want to come back more and kind of connect with that space. So yeah, it's a space with so much kind of possibilities. Yeah. Well, my expectations for the space would be, I want it to be a really big focal point, in Sweden, and not just in the museum, but a space that everyone can come to, whether it's for meetings, whether it's to research new objects or discover new things, or and also hang out. Because as much as I want to attract the older people, I think the younger generation are the future as well. As much as we don't, I don't know. Sometimes I kind of feel the young children are kind of forgotten, or they're young, they don't understand. But if we can kind of nurture them while they're young and try to remember what they need as well, and then hopefully this becomes a space that young children can kind of feel like it's it's their space. So I don't know, a space that that can educate families and yeah, I don't know, just I want it to be the best space. That's what I want it to be, a space that everyone loves. So my name is Yinka Ilori, and welcome to the dialogue space in the Museum of Ethnography. And I look forward to seeing you all soon.